Hey guys, iDevice Help here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a quick look at the brand new AirPods Pro. These are Apple's brand new AirPods and these are available as of today. So you can walk into an Apple store and purchase these as supplies last. You can also order these online, although shipping has slipped to mid-November if you order them now. But the brand new AirPods Pro do offer quite a bit of improvement over the previous generation AirPods. These do have water and dust resistant. It does feature wireless charging with the case. You don't have to purchase that separately. It also has a new technology that Apple is calling transparency mode, which we'll go over with some of the software features here on the iPhone. And it also features, of course, the active noise cancellation. So, of course, the design right there, it is different. A lot of customers do not like the design, but in my opinion, this is going to be in your ears, so it's not going to be very visible. So it's not going to look a whole lot different than previous generation AirPods, which of course I have here for comparison. Let's go ahead and unbox the brand new AirPods Pro. They do have a tab here, so you can go ahead and open just like that. Easy opening. Let's go ahead and get into the packaging here. Here we go. So in the box, we have design by Apple, of course. Everything that Apple always adds into their boxes with some documentation, how to use the brand new AirPods. And these do have additional tips. So for different sizes, and these are in ears. So of course you need those different size ear tips. We'll get to that here in a few seconds. Here are the AirPods themselves. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. So the case is quite a bit larger than the previous generation AirPods. So there it is. Let's go ahead and compare that to the previous generation AirPod case. So there it is, side by side. Let's go ahead and remove the plastic tab here and take a look at the actual product. There it is. So quite a bit larger. At the bottom, we find the lightning connection, no USB Type-C as of yet. On the back, we have the pairing button right here, just like before. So there you go. And let's go ahead and take a look here in the box before we get to some of the software features. And inside here, we find the actual tips here for the new AirPods. So this is a brand new packaging, of course, with the new ear tips that are for different sizes. So we pull on the tab, we open it up, and there we go. We have two different sizes. So I guess this is small and large. So there it is. That packaging is new. It's going to remove that here to the side. We get also a cable for charging the AirPods. So there it is. It's USB Type-C to Lightning. So that's the charging cable for the new AirPods. And let's go ahead and take a look at the actual star of the show, the AirPods themselves. So there they are, the case. Not much different in regards to color. I was hoping that Apple will bring black, maybe even a midnight green, maybe space gray. But Apple just keeps delivering the white color, which is all right. But I wish it was just a matte black version of these AirPods, or maybe a midnight green. I know a lot of customers are hoping for that, but maybe we'll see that down the road. So right now, only white is available. Let's go ahead and dock this iPhone here to go over some of the software features here for the new AirPods. Let's go ahead and open them up. This is our first look at the brand new AirPods. There they are. So they're going to attempt to pair here instantly. So let's go ahead and start the pairing process. Let's go ahead and bring this here into frame. Click pair or connect. You see that the brand new AirPods will immediately begin to connect. We have a very nice animation there for the first time you connect them to your iPhone. So right there, media controls, noise controls as well. So you can press and hold on either AirPods to switch between the noise cancellation and transparency mode. Now, transparency mode is a new feature that allows you to just hear your surroundings. So if you take your AirPods out, let's say you're out running and you want to cross the road, you want to hear what's around you. So you can press and hold on the sensors on the side so you can listen to your surroundings. It also shows you some of the features built into Control Center, which of course we're going to go over here in a few seconds. So let's go ahead and remove the AirPods here out of the case. Now, the first thing to note right away when I take these out of the case is that they're quite a bit shorter, the stem. So let's go ahead and remove the AirPods second generation here, bring them into frame, and show you the difference right there. Look at that. So quite a bit of difference here with the second generation in comparison to the Pro version. Right there it is. So let's go ahead and place them just like that. Let's go ahead and get the right there it is, the right one. So we can go ahead and take a proper look at them. Right there it is. We can remove the tip by simply doing that, just like so. And there it is. There's the speaker. A lot of technology that goes into this new pair of AirPods Pro. We have new sensors. The sizes of the sensors are quite a bit larger. The speaker seems quite a bit larger. There's improved sound. There's also a new pressure sensitive area. So if we take a look here, hopefully you guys can see that. There's a pressure sensitive area here. This is what we're going to press to switch between the active noise cancellation and the new transparency mode. So I have to say they do feel even lighter, a lot more compact. I'm not necessarily a fan of the design, but I can tell this is packed with features and technology. And of course, Apple with software updates will continue to make these better over time. You can guarantee that. So let's go ahead and take a look here at Control Center and see the active noise cancellation that it's available with new AirPods. So let's go ahead and cup these here in my hand so it thinks that they're connected. There they are. So we have the noise cancellation, right there it is. We have off, and then we have transparency mode. There it is. So different modes. So when you have them in your ear, transparency mode, as I mentioned, is a new feature that allows you to listen to your surroundings. So if you need to listen, maybe you're crossing the road, you want to listen to the vehicles coming around you, maybe people, you can do that. Someone's talking to you. You can remove that active noise cancellation by pressing and holding on the sensors, as well as also doing it software wise right here within the control center. Now activating or setting up these AirPods, as you just saw, is a breeze, is easy, nothing much to it. Now these new AirPods, these do offer 4.5 hours of listening time with one single charge, more than 24 hours, of course, when you recharge them with the case. With 5 minutes of charging, you can listen up to 1 hour on music. A lot of great features. The fast charging is here for the AirPods as well. And I have to say, I'm going to be testing these out. I'm liking what I see. The only thing that I would love Apple to do is to bring different colors. But other than that, I'm going to be testing these out. You can expect my follow-up on the AirPods Pro here shortly. Thank you for watching this quick unboxing, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.